Introduce highlight features or overview summary of MWE 32-inch touchscreen self-service kiosk, floor standing digital signage display. MWE 32-inch Android 13 interactive touchscreen floor kiosk with FHD display. The MWE 32-inch interactive touchscreen floor kiosk is a versatile digital solution designed for modern indoor environments that demand reliable performance and flexible functionality. Featuring a 32-inch Full HD IPS display with a 1920x1080 resolution, this kiosk delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and a wide viewing angle that ensures clear visibility from every direction. With 450 CD per square meter brightness, screen content remains easy to view under varying indoor lighting conditions. Powered by the Android 13 open operating system. This kiosk supports the installation of external systems, software, or Windows boxes, allowing businesses to deploy custom applications such as navigation tools, self-ordering systems, information queries, digital signage, and exhibit explanations. Its responsive touchscreen provides smooth interaction for users, enhancing customer engagement across diverse use cases. The MWE kiosk offers robust connectivity options including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB 2.0, TF card, and HDMI, enabling effortless content management, remote updates, and external device integration. Built to withstand high-traffic environments like malls, hospitals, banks, and airports, its durable structure ensures long-term reliability. Equipped with dual 5-watt speakers and bottom wheels for easy mobility, this kiosk combines performance, durability, and convenience in one professional digital display solution. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.